In this video, we will look at the home screen within the Leica Captivate Field software. The home screen is the central point and the starting point of the software. It is simple and easy to use. In this video, we will look at how this is done, the thinking behind the design of the home screen, and also some features of the home screen that are perhaps not initially obvious. On starting Leica Captivate, we will access the home screen. Here, jobs are shown in the top half of the screen on the Jobs carousel, and apps are shown in the bottom half of the screen on the Apps carousel. Let's look at jobs first. Selecting an existing job and choosing to create a new job are two functions that are available directly on the home screen. The jobs are shown from left to right in alphabetical order, with the currently selected job in the centre of the screen. By selected, we simply mean that this is the job that will be used when an app is selected. If a job has an image associated with it, then the image is shown as the job's album cover. If not, a default image is used. This makes it a lot easier to identify a job with the help of the image, rather than only a name. All the jobs from the internal memory and, if inserted, an SD card are shown. However, if we remove the SD card, then only the jobs from the internal memory are displayed. If we then insert the SD card again, the carousel is updated and the jobs from the SD card are also shown. Which job is in the centre of the screen can be controlled by sliding the jobs left and right using the touchscreen, by tapping on a job which is visible but not in the centre, or by using the arrow keys on the keypad. To create a new job, slide the carousel to the left so that the New Job option is in the centre. A separate video will go through the process of creating a new job. Now, we will continue in the New Job carousel and take a look at accessing the job-related menu. Tapping on the job which is in the centre of the screen, or pressing OK, flips the job around and accesses the menu which is held on the reverse of the album cover. This menu allows various options, including viewing the job properties, such as the creator of the job, where it is stored, what code list is used, what coordinate system, and even viewing and editing the data itself. Importing and exporting data to and from the job, sending the job to the office or to another user, and deleting the job. Other videos will explain how to use these options. But for now, tapping outside of the job menu returns us to the home screen. Selecting and starting an app is also easy. Leica Captivate offers a wide range of apps, including general survey or stakeout, road, rail and tunnel apps, apps for computing volumes and COGO calculations, as well as many more. We simply tap the app that we wish to use. For example, if we want to survey some points, we scroll to the Measure app and select it. There's no need to go hunting in submenus trying to find the right application. We can straight away select it, start to make measurements and begin to work. Some apps are actually instrument specific. When we are using a GNSS sensor, it is possible to set up the sensor as an RTK base. However, if we switch to use a total station, then it is no longer possible to set up an RTK base, but instead we have a setup app which allows us to set up the total station. Now, if the option to create a new job or to select our design data is in the centre of the screen, then the apps are actually greyed out and cannot be selected. This is because we need to have a job selected in order to start an app. It is also possible to customize the app carousel by changing the order of apps and even hiding them. There are some apps which we may use more often than others, and we would prefer them to be more towards the left or grouped together. For this reason, it is possible to drag and drop apps and change their position. Since Leica Captivate can have many apps, it could be that not all of them are needed. In this case, we simply drag and drop the app onto the hide icon and it will be hidden. Hidden but not deleted. If we need to later use this app, then we can access the app visibility panel and turn it back on. To do this, we select Settings from the app carousel, then select Customization, and then App Visibility. Here, all the apps are listed. Their visibility is controlled by using the checkbox, and the position of an app is changed by pressing up or down. All other apps can be hidden, but it is not possible to hide the Settings app, otherwise we could never access this Settings panel again. We confirm by pressing OK, then we return to the home screen, which has now been customized exactly as we configured.